What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another Lunar Classic video. Now we have a very important thing happening right now for crypto, a deciding event as to whether or not we're going to continue downwards or go upwards. Of course, we're going to talk about that, and we are going to talk about all of the updates that you need to know to be fully up to date with Lunar Classic. With that said, if you don't know me already, I am not a financial advisor, and my name is Connor. Checking the crypto bubbles, we can see we got a mixture between green and red. Filecoin up almost 30%, ICP 10%, Waves 8.9%. Overall, the market looks a little bit green here, but we do have some red outliers here. But if we do check out coin market cap, we can see we are still holding that $1 trillion market cap, which is very nice to see. We are down almost 1% today, which is just to be expected, right? We've had a nice little rally here. A little bit of a cooling period, a breathing period, a pullback is all very healthy for the market. So nothing to worry about yet here. Bitcoin down 1.5%, Ethereum and everything else around, 1 to 2% down. We got Polygon down 4%, but they did go on a massive run recently. So only to be expected. Lovely to see here. Polkadot up 25%. This is one of the largest positions in my portfolio. So great to see. Bitcoin coming down a little bit here is also good because I did have a little bit of a short position open that I spoke to you guys about, that I opened around here, that I added to around here. So it's looking quite good here. Very tight stop losses if we do break out of this channel. If you do want to do similar trades, trade yourself, have an exchange that you can trust, then Binance is something that I personally would suggest because I trust it with my own crypto. So if you want to sign up, they are currently having $600 worth of welcome bonuses that you guys can get just from following the links down there in my description. It's Binance, right? I don't have to really sell it more to you guys. If you want to sign up, again, the links are down there. But we do have a very important thing happening with Bitcoin right now. If we check out here, we got the 200-day MA, the moving average, and this does signal bottoms in the history of Bitcoin. We came down, we spent a long time below it, which hasn't really happened much before, but now we are making our way back up and we are sitting right on this average right now today. So this is a deciding moment for Bitcoin. If we can bounce off this and continue upwards, that's going to be bullish short term and hopefully long term. But if we break back below this, we could see some more short term pain here, continuing the bear market, which is the more likely scenario that I see, if not just hanging out down here at the moving average. We can see if we move over to here, back in 2018, we actually spent, how long did we spend down here at this average? About, what's that? 133 days. So a third of a year we spent down here. So totally possible for that to happen. But if we do continue upwards from here, very nice for the market. If we do head over to CoinMarketCap, we'll check out trending. Where is Lunar Classic today? Down at number 7. So we're making some gains here. The price is definitely coming up a little bit, but basically just the average of the market right now and still sitting below that zero that we want to get back. Down on the volume, 78 million. 20% increase, which is nice to see. And I think this may be because of the news that we have. We have actually passed this bill here, 62% saying yes, we've passed the threshold. If nothing changes in the next few days, hopefully the tax will be implemented very, very soon. Great to see here. This is what we want to see. This will be a catalyst for the market. But please do remember, this is only the burn on chain. Centralized exchanges don't sit on chain, and that's where the majority of the volume is coming from. So keep that in mind. But just as a catalyst to get people excited, this could result in a price increase happening for Lunar Classic. Now we also have some more news. We got 33 projects in active migration status over to Lunar Classic, and they are near completion. When the Terra Rebels website goes live, we'll have a dedicated section for all projects that have migrated successfully or are in the process of migrating and have been verified and approved by the project migration team. So, like I've been saying, hype, community, meme-based token that Lunar Classic has become is the first one with its own real ecosystem, with other projects building within that ecosystem. Obviously, we got here in a completely different way to how Dogecoin or Shiba or these other coins got there, but this is a new thing. This is a new space in this world of crypto and meme coins and hype coins and community coins. So I think this is an exciting thing, and I think this is going to be very good for the longevity of the coin. We also have $13 million locked on Terra Classic. You can see we used to have 30 billion. So an absolutely obscene chart here, but just people are still willing to keep some money on this chain, which is good to see overall. With that said, we also do have the DXY coming down, which is bullish for the overall market. So we could see some more green days ahead of us. Of course, it all comes down to really what Bitcoin decides to do. And it is just staying in this channel, making higher highs and higher lows, which is good. I would see a low of around 21, 22,000 is definitely possible, and to stay in this channel, which would still be bullish and would be perfectly fine in my opinion. With that said, that's it for today's update, and I'll see you guys in the next one.